And welcome back to Miss Valerie Can Help. This morning I'll be doing a sunny side hop egg. Alright, I turn my stove on. I don't put it too high because you don't want it to get burned. So I put it to the center. Well, my stove is saying 5, so I have it at 5 because it goes up to 10, so I middle it. I'm gonna pour some oil. In my frying pan. I'm gonna wait a little until it gets a little warm, the oil, and then I'm just gonna crack my heads so that the yolk doesn't burst. So I'm putting it into a bowl. Okay. Try not to get the yolk burst. Okay. See, all yolk is still in place. Okay, I'm gonna pour my egg in the oil. I use a spoon to put the oil on the yolk so the inside of your sunny side is properly cooked. Inside of the white. And you're going to pour it gently over the red, but not too much because you want to have that yolk look at the top. Not covered like it's cooked, but it looks runny. And as well, around where the yolk is, you don't want it to look as if it just come from out of the egg, out of the shell rather. Sorry about that. Out of the shell. So you use the oil and you use it around to base it, and base it properly. You know, when I mention about around the red, doesn't seem as if it's cooked. It is like when you just crack the egg and put it in the frying pan. You don't want it to come out just the same because it will taste a little weird because that part isn't cooked and it will look a little raw. So you use the oil and base it. So while you're basting it, it will automatically cook. Alright. Okay guys, I just show you sunny side up. I'm going to use the same egg to show you how to do it over medium. So you just flip the egg over like that, and it's cooking, but you don't want the whole entire yolk to be hard. So I just flip it. So I'm just going to take it out and I'll show you the display. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Miss Valerie Can Help.